Hey there to all my mompreneurs out there that feel like they're not tech savvy, or they feel like they're spending too much time creating content that they don't know if it's going to convert or not. So if you are a content creator or blogger, mompreneur, I have a secret on how to get more content out there with a lot less effort. So please excuse me because Ollie is over there watching his show. And so let's get started. So what I want to first show you is how you can take a simple video and create a blog from it. You can create an email, and then you can do a quote card on Canva with it. And so here we go. Let me share my screen here. Let's start with what I did. So I go to Revcom. If you haven't heard of it, it is a great way for you to upload your videos and get them transcribed. So let's see here. How can I go back here? My Rev.com. Here we go. Rev.com. You create an account. You place your order. So let's say I want to upload this video later on to transcribe it. Then I just go to upload files here, or I can copy and paste it from my YouTube. And then sometimes it's within 20 minutes or less, depending on the length of the video, they will send me the transcript of what I said. And it is going to be verbatim. So what I do is I have the transcript here. And so there are a couple of things that I can do with this transcript. A lot of times I copy and I paste it into my Evernote. And then from my Evernote, I start to use the pieces that I can, rewrite a little bit of it, and then create a blog that I later post on my website. And so another thing that you can do is go through some of these things that you're saying in here and find quotes, maybe highlight some kind of quote that you could use for an infographic. And so here we go. Let me see. What did I use before? I've used a couple of things from here, I believe. And so just go through and highlight. If you have a virtual assistant, she could do that for you as well. She could do that for you as well. But let's see here. You can even put this. So you can highlight this. You put your blood, sweat, and tears into your business, and you want to protect it. So you can copy this, go to Canva, create a quote card. So what I do is I just search for quotes, and it gives me all these different templates. This is one that I already use, and I just changed it to my brand colors. And so let's do it like this. Someone is excited. So just pop it into here. Okay. Obviously you want to delete this part. And then you can put your name right here, your brand. I'm going to change it to my brand colors. I love Canva. It is the best. Let's see. Figure it. I'm going to change this real quick. I have my brand colors saved in here. So there we go. And then I'm gonna hit download. So far I have a video that I did on IGTV. I turned it into a transcript, and from the transcript I made it into a blog post. From the blog post, or just even direct from the transcript, I created a quote that I'm going to upload on Planoly. Here's an example here where I'm going to schedule it later on. Because my blogs go out on Wednesdays, every other Wednesday, I like to take a quote from the blog and post it on Thursday, so I can catch the people that didn't read the blog post the day before. I can remind them, hey, I have a blog post and this is a little snippet from it. So then I come over here to grab this one. So I grab a quote card. Actually, let me upload the one I just did. Here's the one I just did. I'm uploading it. And I'm going to schedule it for Thursday. So let's say the 14th, here we go. I schedule it, I put what I want to put on there, you know, my caption, I add a location, I add the first comment, and that's going to be the hashtags that I have saved. So you can see here, I have all my hashtags saved there. And then it's scheduled. So I have an IGTV that I created. I have, again, I'm just recapping, I have a blog that I created, and then I created a graphic for Instagram. Another thing that I can do from this transcript is I can figure out bits and pieces that I can put into an email. I like to send emails out on Wednesdays saying, hey, don't forget, this is the blog that I have that just came out today. Make sure you check it out. And so I can take bits and pieces of this, like just highlighted posts or highlighted comments from this, and go ahead and put that in an email. So I have video, I have a blog, I have an email, and then I have a quote graphic. There are so many things that you can do with this. And the great thing is that you don't have to just do one quote from here. You can do, like, since I do a blog post every other week, I can take 2 quotes from here, and then I can post it for the following week and then remind them about the blog post that I did the week before. So I will post all the links to the resources that I use, but I'll just kind of go through it really quickly. So it's Revcom that I use. I use Canva for creating the artwork. I use Planoly to schedule. And then I use Flowdesk to create the emails. And so it all works very beautifully. And this really only takes the time that I create the video, the time that it takes to transcribe it, and then everything else, probably within 30 minutes, I have everything else all complete, and I set it and forget it. So this is definitely a great way for you to not have to be tied down to your computer. You could probably do this every Sunday and just get it over with, and then set up the rest of your content with Planoly for the rest of the week, and just take it little by little. And you can even take your video and do snippets of it. So you can break it down and do 10-second snippets for your IG stories. And so there are so many ways for you to repurpose your content without having you to be tied down to your device. If you like this video, I'd appreciate a little heart and comment your takeaways. And don't forget to share it with someone that you think can benefit from it. So see you soon. See you next Tuesday. Bye.